Hey guys, I'm so excited today. I'm here with my beautiful daughters and none other than Amirah of Flower Shop. I'm so excited that you're here. These two are more excited that you're here, aren't you guys?
Yes.
What are we going to be doing today?
We're gonna tell them rainbow explosion cake.
Yes! Okay, so you're gonna start by baking your favorite cake. You can start with a mix, you can do whatever you want. We use the magical vanilla cake.
Yes.
And we put it in 6 little bowls and then we colored each one and we baked them off. So we're gonna use a 2-inch cutter and we're gonna go to the very center of each cake. And I do this funny thing where I fake measure to my finger. But everyone's finger is different. Yours might be your whole finger.
I know, I'm like, what if we have 2 different
There you go.
sized
No,
indexes?
see? No, it's just to the mark of there. Push it down.
Ooh, let's see.
Yes! Push
Wait,
it
I
hard.
have a very serious question
Yes.
for you. What do you do with the middles?
That's a very important question.
Make a mini cake.
You can definitely make a mini cake, but you know what I call these? Baking sacks.
Yeah!
Yeah, now we're gonna make the icing. Do you want to make frosting?
Yes!
Yes! We are going to start with butter. Do you want to put the butter in there?
Throw it.
If you, yeah,
Throw it?
please.
Throw it in there?
You could throw it, toss one in.
Throw it.
Throw it.
Throw it.
What's this? What's this, guys? Do you know what this is?
I know. I think I know. Cream cheese.
Yeah,
Yes.
let's mix this a
Should-
little bit
Oh,
first.
that's okay. That's got to soften.
Let's
Yes,
put it in
let's
your
do
new
this
mixer
one.
though, back here.
These
Oh.
are so cool.
And then you lock it. You have to lock it like this. Look.
Oh, there's a mirror.
There you go.
Shoot that direction.
She's watched a video
Okay.
before. Taste it again. Good to go. You let us know. Just a little bit. We need enough for the cake. Good? All right, let's hop down. Let's get back to our cake station. Cake station.
All right. What happens
Wow,
now?
this is really fun. Oh, I love that you brought the mini.
You tell us.
All right, we are going to fill the piping bag with
Okay.
Like 6 piping bags.
it. No, we just need one big one.
Oh. Okay.
So then you can scoop it into my hand. There you go, like that.
One is learning and one is reaping the rewards of the educational baby.
All right. What color do we start with? Purple.
Oh, and then blue, and then green, and then.
You know your rainbow. Okay, but you know what we do first?
What do we do?
Icing on the bottom to help it stick.
Oh!
Literally knows everything.
That's awesome.
I'll do the
Wait,
first
yeah.
ring, and then you do this next one. Got it?
Ooh, I'm gonna do that.
So this, you're right, makes it stick.
So does she put that there?
Oh yeah. Perfect.
Nice work.
Yay!
High five, Chukas. High five,
What it
Chukas.
does. Now,
Five, Chukas. She left me hanging.
see, now it's done.
Oh,
Perfect.
wow.
It's our little glue. So now you're gonna do 2 rings of that. I'll help you push.
Nice work,
And you can
kid.
spin it. Do you want to spin it? Oh, we're going the wrong way. More, push harder.
Take some arm strength, huh?
It's a workout. It's a
All
workout.
right.
Next one.
I get to put the next cake on.
Nice. Want to make sure the holes line up, right?
I want to do that.
Next
I
one.
get to do the next.
Ready? You want to move this around? Okay.
Here,
we'll do
Mommy will move it.
Ah!
It's sticky.
One more. There you go.
Ooh, okay.
You want to
Next
put the
layer?
next one? Here you go. Line it up. Come on.
Okay, so now what happens?
What happens next?
No
Who's
layer?
next, Daisy?
Yeah, you tell
I
us.
think we put the sprinkles in.
Oh my goodness. Okay, well come over here. Wait, so we have 2 different types of sprinkles
Which
here.
one do you think goes in the
Which one
inside?
goes inside?
This one.
Oh, the explosion sprinkles.
Everybody gets to pour a little.
Oh my goodness. Ooh, okay, Riley's turn. That is,
Oh no.
I'm excited
Ready?
about this cake.
Oh no.
Whoa! Ava?
Don't spill it, Ava. Oh no.
Because she wants more sprinkles.
Oh no.
There you go.
Oh no.
Pour a little more. Have it. Ready?
Messiness.
There we go. Okay, who wants to finish it off?
Me.
Okay, both.
Both
You
of
each
you.
take one more turn.
One. One more.
No. Yay! Oh, so cool.
That is perfection.
And then we put the red on top to close it.
Yeah, what do they taste like?
Chocolate.
Do we need to taste them?
It's chocolate.
At and straight.
So. And now it's like, that's the surprise element.
Yeah.
So nobody knows there's anything inside at this point.
Nobody knows anything. No one
That's
saw us.
crazy.
And then now I feel like we
Ready?
Even
Go.
fun. Spin it.
Just
Pull it
saying.
towards yourself.
Oh my goodness, you guys are doing it!
Professional.
It's happening! Isn't that crazy, Apes? Okay.
Looks good enough.
And then what happens now? It's sprinkle time!
Can I show you how I sprinkle it?
Let her show you how to do it first.
So I'm gonna do one for the camera and I'll do one
Oh
for
wait,
you.
that sounds funny.
I'm gonna go all the way up.
Whoa.
Oh, that's cool.
So here's what I did. I put it all the way to the side, and then you go all the way up.
I'm so excited to cut into this like beloved cake.
This beloved cake.
From the bottom. Okay, ready? Watch this really
This
cool
reminds me of my favorite donuts I loved as a kid.
Ready?
And now.
Look how cool this is. We're gonna get rid of all the stuff on the top.
Whoa!
Magic, right?
Oh, don't we have a special plate for this cake?
Oh yeah.
Let me go get it.
Do a rainbow stand.
Don't look at the.
Yeah.
My goodness.
Rainbows on
Oh
rainbows.
my goodness. What does this look like, guys?
The little carpet in our.
In your
Yes.
Guys,
Hey.
look at the cake you just made.
Hold on, hold on. 1, 2, 3.
How cool is that, you guys?
So we made the rainbow cake, and here's what it looks like on the inside and on the outside. And
It's
there's-
explosive.
Yeah.
Ready on 3, say bye.